We'll guide you through how to use the Replit Core Plan to supercharge your development experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Replit website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard, which is the hub of all your projects. Here, you'll see an option to upgrade your plan. Click on the Upgrade button, and you'll be directed to the pricing page. Choose the Replit Core Plan from the list of available options. This plan gives you access to premium features like increased CPU and memory, which are essential for more demanding projects. After selecting the Replit Core Plan, you'll need to enter your payment information. Replit offers various payment methods, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Once your payment is processed, you'll have immediate access to the enhanced features of the Replit Core Plan. Now, go back to your dashboard and open one of your existing projects, or create a new one to start taking advantage of the increased resources. One great benefit of the Replit Core Plan is the ability to use more powerful environments, which means your code runs faster and more efficiently. You can also use additional storage, which is perfect for larger projects. Another cool feature is the ability to host applications with a custom domain, giving your projects a more professional look. To do this, head over to the hosting settings in your project and follow the instructions to link your custom domain. Remember, with the Replit Core Plan, you also gain access to private repls, which are perfect for keeping your work confidential until you're ready to share it. Don't forget to explore all the other features available in the Replit Core Plan to make the most out of your Replit experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.